Emily, I'm so excited. It's getting really, really close to our workshop series. Are you pumped?
I'm pumped. I'm so excited. I cannot wait, Erin. Well, what do we have? We have the last three Thursdays of February for this
That's right.
workshop, right?
That's right. We're going to meet 3 times live and help everyone with resumes, cover letters, LinkedIn, your entire career profile can get a reboot in these sessions. And what even more though, what else are they going to get in the sessions?
Great question, Erin. There's going to be some resume templates, cover letter templates, formatting video that's how to, really easy. A couple of samples of resumes. There's going to be LinkedIn best practices, LinkedIn samples, scripts for connecting with people on LinkedIn, and then scripts for asking for recommendations on LinkedIn and cover letter scripts.
That's amazing. I mean, 3 sessions with us. We're going to be having fun, building community, talking with other people in the same position. But then you're going to have all those backup materials as well. So to sign up, check the notes below. You can go right to the sign up page and get ready to join us starting in just a couple weeks.
Can't wait.
See you soon.